nasama po ako sa isang fashion show and may nakilala po akong isang photographer and siya po yung naging mentor ko.
Aba, tas yun na, nagdire-diretso na.
Opo.
Brad, paano bang halimbawa yung pagpipicture ka ng singganda ni Solen? Paano mo, kunwari ikaw, pipicture, paano mo kinakausap yung mga ganyan?
Siyempre po, mag-ask po ako ng permission sa kanya kung pwede pong mahawakan siya kung...
mahawakan?
Paano po yung...
Teka, picture lang hawakan mo.
Yung sa posing po niya, kung mahirap po siya.
Dapat may hawak.
Oh, sige. Good luck sa iyong photography career, pare ko. Hello ka lang.
Thank you.
I love you too.
I love you too.
Yeah. Medyo mahihain ka muna. Ako pare, ito, kailangan hindi ka mahihain, ha? Dahil actingan portion tayo. Ang eksena, karinderya pa rin. Okay? Pero ang role mo, ito. Mahigit kalahating oras ka lang naghihintay ng order mo, pero hindi pa rin dumarating. Kaya ano ang gagawin mo? Kaya, paring Alex, ready! Clapper!
Tagal-tagal naman ang order ko. 30 minutes na ako naghihintay dito. Ang haba-haba ng pila sa NBI clearance. Akin ata yun.
Sir! Order, sir.
Sino bang waitress dito? Waiter. Waitress.
Ako, waitress ako.
Ako rin, waitress din ako,
Saan na po yung order ko? Kanina pa po ako naghihintay
Ito ang
dito.
waiter.
Hoy, waitress ako.
Waitress, saan po yung order ko?
Hindi po kayo sa akin umorder. Baka po dito sa kasama ko dito.
Umorder na ako
Hoy, baka
kanina.
manuno ka, duro ka ng duro.
Ay, oo.
Excuse me, hindi ka po umorder sa akin. Bakit sa iba?
Gutom na po
Lalo naman
ako.
sa akin, busy ako.
Lalo na rin sa akin, dito ako nag-serve kay sir. Oh.
Nasaan po yung menudo ko?
Hey.
Gutom na po ako eh.
What's happening in this country? Huh? What happened?
Umorder po ako dito. Kanina pa po ako naghihintay. Wala pa rin yung order ko.
Oh. What is his order? What?
Umorder po ako
Your
ng
order.
menudo.
Hindi
What
po na sa
order
akin.
Sir, he ordered but we have no more
Menudo
food.
po ang in-order ko. Kanina pa po ako naghihintay. Alam ko naman po marami kayong customer. Pero mag-set naman po kayo ng priority. Customer din po ako. Magbabayad naman
Marami,
po ako.
nag-iisa nga lang customer namin.
So your order is menudo?
Opo.
Menudo only?
Opo.
No rice?
Meron pong rice. Meal na po yun. May kasama pong rice yun eh.
Okay. Where is his menudo?
Ay, sir,
Ay,
ubos na rin po ang menudo.
Opo, sir.
Sorry.
Sinigang na lang po. Kung ano pong meron kayo. Sinigang po meron kayo.
Wala din.
Wala din.
Afritada po.
Wala
Afritada.
po.
Apritada?
Opo.
Sorry. Ito ready apritada.
Kinain niyo po.
Oh,
Wala.
no more pa apritada.
Wala
Kung ano
din,
na lang
sir.
pong meron kayo. Ano pong meron kayo? I-serve niyo na lang po kung ano meron kayo.
Sorry,
Kaya,
sir.
chichirya.
So, this is the only
Tsaka
thing.
ito,
Kung patawid
tubig.
gutom lang din.
Tubig. On the house na yan.
Tubig lang po meron kayo? Hihimatayin na ako.
Oh,
Okay.
Hey! Hey! Emergency! Emergency!
Thank you very much, Alex. Ito naman ang ating huling Mr. Pogi. Maghanda na para kay Brendon Mercado. Brendon Mercado, Taylor Lautner ng California, USA.
So I'm gonna be a little bit more comfortable here since you speak
Sige.
English.
Thank you.
Sige, Huwag Englishan kayo.
So I heard you've been here for about three weeks, right? Or six? 6 weeks.
Yeah,
so how
6
are you adjusting to the Filipino life and the
I want to live
language?
here.
Oh, you want to live?
I wanna live
Have you
here.
lived here before? No.
No, this is my first time.
So how did you come to join Mr. Pog? Do you watch Eat Bulaga when you're in the States?
Yeah, my family, we watched Ibulaga, and I came on the show last week, and they asked me to join.
Aba. So, paano ka, nakakaintindi ka naman ng Tagalog, ano?
Opo.
Konti, basta mabagal.
As long as it's not fast.
Okay.
Pero mabilis naman yung salita. So,
Paano ka naghanda para sa Mr. Pogi? How did you
Get ready.
prepare yourself?
Oh, well,
Did you prepare yourself? Nababarok to. How did you prepare yourself for
my
Eat Bulaga?
cousins and family, they all helped. They were very supportive. We got a couple friends to help choreograph the dance we had.
And are you used to having fans already? Yan. Okay, para dumami ang fans mo, so you increase your tribe of fans, you have to show diskarte in actingan. You know that?
Yeah.
Very
your
good
skills and
acting.
acting.
You gotta have
chance.
skills. Okay? This is your Exena. Okay? Karinderya.
you're in a street food place. Street food.
Okay, this is your Exena. Isa kang tindero. Can you
You're
translate?
in a street food street place.
You're in a Karinderya.
Carinderia.
Carinderia.
Okay, alam mo yun, yung
Alright.
kainan, ha?
Yes.
Okay. At nakita mo ang customer mo
And you see your customer
Okay.
natatakas
that's trying to escape
nang hindi nagbabayad.
because he didn't pay.
Ay, very good, very good.
Wow.
Okay?
Can you just come with me for the rest of my vacation?
Sure, I'm probably as bad as you are.
Alam mo, ito meron ha. Okay, pare. Naintindihan mo Exena?
Yes.
Okay, Brandon, ready, camera, clapper.
Mr. Pogi number 3, good luck! Action!
Hello, welcome to my Carinderia. So, there's a bunch of food available. Feel free to order whatever you like. Can I have that? What's that?
That.
What's that?
Just that. Give it to me.
Just okay.
I'm hungry.
Alright, enjoy your food.
John,
I will go now.
Hoy,
I will
Kuya,
go.
Kuya,
What?
Kuya.
What?
What are you doing?
Come here.
Okay.
What?
You have to pay for that.
I have to pay?
You have to pay.
I didn't eat.
I can smell it from your breath.
No.
What?
I didn't really eat.
Can you?
Oh no, I can smell it too.
Yeah. Well, if
What?
I don't remember,
So
you
what did
giving
I
me a-
eat if you smelled my breath? What did I eat?
Oh, what did you eat? You ate lechon, lumpia, pancit.
Oh no, you're so
adobo.
socialist, Carinderia. You're selling lechon. I can't believe this.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm gonna call the police if you don't give me the money.
No, you can't call the police. You have no telephone.
Hey, excuse me.
Oh.
What?
You don't have to call the police.
Why?
Don't you
Are
recognize?
you the police?
Don't you recognize me?
Who are you?
Former PNP chief, now senator.
I voted for him.
Ginampanan nga ni Rudy Fernandez yung buhay ko eh.
Oh.
What's the problem?
Sir, he hasn't paid for his food. He can't give me a receipt. And look at the evidence. It's coming from his breath.
Is he human?
Oh, come on.
Okay, why don't we do this? Why don't you eat again and then you pay?
You think
That okay?
that's a good idea?
It's a good
I eat
idea.
again and then I pay?
Okay, as
then
long as
pay.
you brush your teeth afterwards. Okay.
What? Boy, his teeth has problem.
No.
Di ba before, your problem?
Yeah. Shut up, you policeman. I'll go. I will not pay you.
Kuya,
Eh, me too, I will not pay here. Here's your mango.
By the way, I got this too. You keep
thank
it.
you.
Wag
Maraming salamat sa ating mga Mr. Pogi for today.
At ang mapipiling Mr. Pogi ay tatanggap ng 20,000 pesos at 2 tickets sa David Cook in Manila. Concert sa July 14, yan sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. And you can also catch him in Cebu on July 15 at the Cebu Waterfront Hotel and Casino. For inquiries, please call 911-5555 or log on to www.ticketnet.com.ph. At hindi pa yan. Sa Friday, nandito siya live sa Eat Bulaga. So, nandito si David Cook.
Andito si David Cook.
Yes, Friday.
Sa Biyernes. Abangan niyo po yan, mga
Friday.
At eto naman po, kung sa tingin nyo kasing pogi at talented kayo ng mga contestants natin ngayon, you can register at i-upload na ang inyong audition video sa www.eatbulaga.tv/Mr. Pogi. O di naman po kaya mag-audition kayo dito sa Broadway Centrum. Live po yan Monday to Friday, 3 to 5 p.m.
Let's call back our Mr. Pogi contestants.
Let's start with Mr. Pogi number 1 from Tondo, Manila, Lloyd Christopher David.
And Mr. Pogi number 2 from Marikina City, Alex Bordets.
And from California, USA, Mr. Pogi number 3, Brendon Mercado. Dabarkad, sino sa tingin nyo ang Mr. Pogi ngayong araw? Dito, number 1. Doon, number 2. Doon, number 3. Tingnan natin.
Mixed emotions.
Our Mr. Pogi for today is none other than contestant number
3, Brendon Mercado from California. Congratulations! The search for the next generation of TV heartthrobs continues. Dito lang sa Taktak, Eat Bulaga, Mr. Pogi 2012.
sa pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga, tapatan ng mga palabang-angkan sa pamilyang Pinoy!
Ngayong Friday the 13th, may barangay na suswertihin. Anong barangay kaya ang mananalo sa Barangay Bayanihan para sa buwan ng Hunyo? Barangay Linsad, Binangonan, Rizal. Barangay Santo Rosario, Canluran, Patero. Barangay 175, Zone 15, Camarin, Caloocan City. Barangay San Jose, Binyan, Laguna. Barangay Tugatog, Malabon City.
Ang mananalo, Barangay Bayanihan! Yes!
Barangay Concepcion, Baliwag, Bulacan. Barangay Tanyong, Marikina City.
Ang tatanghaling Barangay Bayanihan sa buwan ng Hulyo!
Barangay 801, Zone 87, San Andres, Manila. Barangay Marawoy, Lipa City, Batangas. Barangay Dalandanan, Valenzuela City. Barangay Pag-asa, Mandaluyong City.
Ang mananalo sa One for All for One!
Barangay Poblasyon, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Barangay Central Bicutan, Taguig City. Barangay Baclaran, Cabuyao, Laguna. Barangay